Alright, welcome to the State of the Channel for Modding by Kaupenjoe here on the 5th of August 2023, and there's quite a few things, so let's get started. First and foremost, the courses are on sale again, of course linked in the description below. With the code New Topic Sale, you get 50% off until the 13th of August, and of course New Topic Sale means there's also new topics. We've got biomes, we've got dimensions, we got 2 block high crops, and all sorts of other crazy things. Also many new topics with these scene entities right here, so I highly recommend it to check this out and see if this might strike your fancy. Like I said, 50% off until the 13th of August, linked in the description below. But what else is there? Well, we're gonna have a return of Modding Monday. This is exactly right. So basically, roughly every Monday-ish, we're gonna probably take one Monday a month off, something like that. We're going to stream on this channel right here, so on YouTube, Modding Monday, where I wanted to, number one, showcase and review some community mods. For this, I highly recommend, once again, you look in the description and join the Discord server. There is a community mods channel where you can link your Modrinth or your CurseForge page, and I might actually select one of your mods to, well, basically part of this community showcase. That is the idea. I will also live code some of my own mods, so we might have a return of Resource Slimes. Some of you might know what that is, some of you might not, but that is one idea that I have, and I also have some other ideas for mods, so it might be kind of an interesting thing. And then there's also more fun stuff planned for Modding Mondays. Basically, we're going to see how the reception is, and then we're going to see if we can add some other fun things as well. And adding some other things is a good point, because I wanted to add a few more things to Modding by Kaupenjoe. So number one, basically some devlogs from the streams. So the idea would be that when I code something on the streams on Modding Monday, I sometimes will make a devlog out of this. Then there might be some community showcases from the streams. So this would be cut down from the streams and then just added as a separate video on the channel. I was thinking about maybe doing something like I make your ideas in Minecraft with an educational spin where I also show the code, basically. That would be one idea that I have that could be really interesting. Looking at and understanding other mods code could also be an interesting thing. So that would be one of those, maybe behind the mod series. And also I want to try out some more shorts, because it seems like this is a pretty good idea to do that. There's no real set schedule for any of those. When you see them pop up, you can take a look at them and then of course leave some feedback for those things, and we'll see if this is sort of sensible. I basically want to shift a little bit of the content that I've been doing on Kaupenjoe to this Modding my Kaupenjoe channel, because I think that having a lot of the Minecraft modded stuff on this channel, I think that makes a lot of sense. And last but certainly not least, I have a new channel. Yes, Game Dev by Kaupenjoe over here. So Game Development by Kaupenjoe is a new channel where I do Unity game development tutorials. There are already 5 videos online right now. If you are interested in game development, you can definitely check it out, once again linked in the description below. So if you're interested in Unity and game development in general, I highly recommend checking it out. It's sort of a new chapter. I'm trying to see if this is something that people are interested in. And if you really want to support the new channel, basically there are 5 videos already. So, you know, as more videos are being watched, more videos are being recommended. So, you know, wink, wink. That's one of the things that you can do. But whatever the case may be, only if it interests you, that is a new channel. So Unity development tutorials happening on the new channel. That's actually everything that there is for this State of the Channel. There might be a couple of other changes coming in the next month or so. However, I would probably just do another State of the Channel, because let's be honest, you can't have enough State of the Channel addresses over here. But yeah, all the rest will continue normally. So 4 tutorials a week, so no worries there at all. So thank you so much for watching. Happy modding, and see you next time. So yeah.